Wiring an Electret microphone is a straightforward process, but unlike dynamic microphones, Electret elements require a small amount of DC power called bias voltage to operate the internal junction field effect transistor JFET. Most Electret capsules have two terminals on the back, ground or negative. Look for the terminal that has small solder traces or paths connecting it directly to the outer metal casing of the microphone. Alternatively, use the multimeter to check continuity with the casing. Signal power positive. This is the isolated terminal that has no connection to the metal case. In some varieties, as in the small one illustrated here, there is a plus symbol near the positive terminal. See the black circle separating the positive pin from the green PCB ground. In a standard two-terminal setup, the signal and the DC power share the same wire. You will need two external components, a resistor to provide power and a capacitor to block that DC from entering your amplifier or radio input. Components needed are L, typically 1 kΩ to 10 kΩ. This limits the current to the microphone. Capacitor C, typically 1 microfarad to 10 microfarad, electrolytic or tantalum. This passes the audio, that is alternating current, while blocking the DC bias. Connect the ground terminal of the mic to your circuit's common ground. Connect one side of the resistor to your positive DC supply, usually 3 to 9 volts. Connect the other side of the resistor to the positive terminal of the mic. Connect the positive leg of the capacitor to the junction between the resistor and the microphone. The negative leg of the capacitor becomes your audio output. Some specialized Electret mics have 3 pins, ground, output and VCC for power. Pin 1 ground connects to the case or common ground. Pin 2 VCC connects directly to your DC power source, usually through a small filter resistor. Pin 3 output connects to your amplifier via a DC blocking capacitor. Electret capsules are very high impedance and prone to picking up hum or RF interference. Always use shielded cable for the run between microphone and the circuit board. Connect the shield to the ground terminal. Voltage range. Most capsules work best between 2 to 5 volts. If you are using 12 volt or 13.8 volt supply, common in radio gear, increase your resistor value, example 10 kΩ or 15 kΩ, to drop the voltage and prevent damage. Capacitor orientation. If using an electrolytic capacitor, the positive leg must face the microphone where the DC voltage is present. Quick troubleshooting. No audio? Check polarity. Ground must be the terminal connected to the case. Very weak audio. Resistor value is too high, not enough bias current. Distorted audio. Bias voltage is too high or the amplifier input is being overloaded. Loud hum or buzz. Missing ground shield or long unshielded wires.